Hey everyone, welcome back to the CSS tutorial series. In this tutorial, we are going to learn something super useful in CSS called CSS Variables and the var function. If you have ever repeated the same color code, font size or spacing multiple times in your CSS, this will make your life so much easier with CSS Variables. You can define a variable once and reuse it anywhere in your style sheet. First thing is first, let's see what actually CSS variables are. CSS variables are like reusable container for values. Instead of writing the same color or size again and again, you can store it in a variable and call it anywhere you need. They start with the two dashes and are defined inside a selector, usually root. So they can be used anywhere. So let's do some examples on it and we will see actually how it will be used and how it works. Let's jump in. I have a folder in my on my desktop with the name of CSS var. So open this folder, then open with or Visual Studio Code or WinSurf. I am using WinSurf. It is because it is AI based code editor. Let's create a file with the name of index.html. Here, file is created. We will write first HTML basic boilerplate code. Here I will give title CSS Variables CSS. Let's make a division. I created a division with the name of container and I created h1 with my name Abhushan and some dummy text in paragraph. Let's open this in browser with the live server. This is which I write here h1 and this. Now let's give class to this. I will give heading class to it and I will give class this one paragraph. Okay, now let's create another file with the name of style.css. Here let's link this file here, style.css. so let's create firstly variables where we can say set color, font size and spacing also. Let's create root I am giving primary color this, secondary color this and ternary color this, and now ternary color remove this. Now I will give success color this, green and info color this, warning color this and danger color this. Now let's add some font sizes and I will give two more colors, light color and the gray color, dark color, and the primary color should be here, another one. let's say we remove this color first. I will add two dashed, then primary color, blue was this is our primary color. Now I will add heading font size 3 rem, paragraph font size 1 rem, and paragraph font weight, heading font weight 700, and paragraph font weight this, and I will give font family Poppins, and I will give paragraph font family sans serif. Here, now let's use this thing, apply this thing on this video. Suppose I will apply container. Suppose I want to give background color to it. Background color. Now for using, we can say these variable, we have to use var function. Suppose I mean var, and then use that very variable, whatever color, whatever thing, whatever font size I will use. Here I am using background color, so I have to use, so we will use color within, suppose primary color I will use here. Sure. Now let's check it, and this background you can see primary background color is applied here. Now if I have, we can see another thing here, because I have dot section, suppose section 1, here I have section 1, and this, suppose here is section 2, section 3, section 4, section 5 till. So if I want to use color, same color here, then I will section 1, background color, var function, then primary color. Sure, you can see it is also primary color. Suppose now if I will do section 2 background secondary success, like that I can use. If I want to use suppose primary color for everyone, and also for this primary color, sure, this, and if I want to use, suppose if I will change the primary color, then everywhere this primary color will change. Suppose if I have used this primary color throughout my website, so one place I will change this color, everywhere it will change automatically. This is, you can say, beauty of these variables. Suppose this is the, you can say, good thing. Suppose if you want to change we can say primary color as another color, one place you will change, wherever you have used this color, primary color, that very color change will automatically will be changed. So if I will use primary color as a, suppose for example gray example, everywhere will be the gray. One place I've changed, everywhere it is changed where I have it is where I have used it. So now I will, you can say, keep it as blue, because now if I will want to change it in this thing, you can see this is blue color. Now if I will give, there is another way I can use this. Suppose I can give, now I will give you here secondary color, success color, and I will give info and warning and danger. You can see this is this. Now I will give text color, you can see light color, from color will be the light color, you can see color is light, and I have give some, you can see container padding to rem. So let's apply padding for container padding to rem. I can, you can say, apply the same thing as here, container, you can see this, and the color should be light color. Now you can see this, and here also, and here also, you can see this is how we can say use variables, and it will, we can say, our life easier to use colors and spacing and all the things. Suppose if I want font size, you want to apply font size, for example, for these headings. Suppose I will copy this and let's write this, and font size for heading font size and font size for paragraph, you can see this. Then it will, we can say, one another thing is for that it will our design uniform and uniform font size and pixel perfect. This is how we can say use variable, and this is a usage of variables and wow function. I hope you understood it well. If you found this video helpful for you, please hit the like button and leave a comment also which part of video did you like, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Happy coding. We'll see you in next video. Till then, bye bye.